This is our Advanced Dive Behavior Tag, or ADB tag, developed with a company called Wildlife Computers. It's a partially implantable tag with an outer portion that sits atop a whale's back. Like the location-only tag, it has an Argos transmitter, a wet-dry sensor, but it also has a GPS receiver capable of providing GPS locations, which are much more accurate than Argos locations, sometimes within 30 meters. This tag also has a light sensor, depth sensor, and 3-axis accelerometer and magnetometer, so it can give us detailed information about how a whale moves underwater. This is an archival tag, continuously recording the whale's depth and orientation and storing it on board, so we have to recover this tag to get back the bulk of the data. The tag is programmed to release from a housing which holds it on the whale after a certain amount of time, and this syntactic foam outer portion allows it to float to the surface for recovery. Once it's off a whale, the tag transmits a new GPS location every hour, and 3 LED lights start flashing every 30 seconds to help in the recovery process. In fact, it's often easiest to recover these tags at night because of the flashing lights. The ADB tag is amazing at providing us a detailed account of what a whale was doing underwater, as well as about 70 GPS locations a day, compared to only about 4 to 6 Argos locations a day for the previous tag. We've used these tags on blue, fin, and sperm whales, getting really high-resolution dive behavior data for several weeks at a time. But these tags only have a battery life of about 8 weeks, compared to over a year for the location-only tag. We often program them to release in 3 to 4 weeks, so the whale isn't hundreds of miles away when the tags come off. And sometimes they come off even sooner than that because of the increased drag on the foam portion on the whale's back. So, beginning in 2015, we began working with the tag manufacturer Telonix to develop a tag that combines the features of the previous 2 tags into our new long-duration dive monitoring tag. So have a look at the next video in this series to learn more about this new tag.